Hey there, let's talk about technology in modern art and design. Art and design have always evolved with technology, from cave paintings to digital art. The 19th century brought us photography, forever changing how we capture reality. Fast forward to the 20th century, we saw the birth of digital art. Artists began using computers to create unique pieces, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Today, we're seeing an explosion of digital art forms like 3D printing and virtual reality. These new tools allow artists to create immersive, interactive experiences like never before. Designers, too, are harnessing technology, using software to create stunning visuals. With AI, we're seeing the emergence of generative design, where the computer becomes a co-creator. Looking ahead, we'll see more integration of technology in art and design. Imagine experiencing art in a virtual world, or designs created by AI. The possibilities are endless, and we're just at the beginning. To explore more on this topic and other skills, log in to Gyata.ai. See you there.